Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the concept of dual device loop backup. This diagram shows the topology of the dual device loop backup. At the top is the video source, and at the bottom is the V8 splicer, which is connected to two sending cards. The first sending card's network port 1 serves as the main network connection, linking to the first receiving card of the screen. The output network port of the last receiving card is connected via a network cable to the network port 1 of the second sending card, forming a loop. The V8 must provide identical video signals to both sending cards. After completing the hardware connections, open the debugging software LED setting. Click on Screen Configuration and enter the authorization password 168. Click on Mapping and configure the mapping for sending card 1. Right-click on the second sending card and set it as the backup for the first sending device. No separate mapping is required for the backup sending device. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.